welcome to my channel Joy with Jo. Today I'm going to try the famous cell activator recipe with the mini wax wood conditioner. I'm using titanium white, Amsterdam titanium white, and American Floetrol and mini wax pre-stained wood conditioner. And I have my water bottle and silicone on the side just in case, to see if I need them if I'm not gonna get the cells with the wood conditioner. So I'm going to use 1 part of paint, 3 to 4 parts of Floetrol, and maybe 6 to 7 drops of the wood conditioner. And all the measurements, I'm just eyeballing them. I'm not using any scale to do the exact measurement. And the wood conditioner. And I have another brand wood conditioner too, but I have heard from a lot of people it has to be this red thin here. I have other brands pre-stained wood conditioner, but I guess this is what does the magic. Maybe I'll try the other one next time. For now, I just want to use the one that is working for sure. Alright, now that our cell activator is ready, let's try it on a pour. I have pre-mixed my other paints. I have used Liquitex brand acrylic paints, and I've mixed all my paints with 1 part paint, 3 parts of Floetrol and 1 part of water. And my white, the base that I'm using here is not the cell activator. I have used Anita's white acrylic paint, and I've mixed them in the same recipe as my other paints, 1 part paint, 3 parts of Floetrol and 1 part of water. And now I'm just trying to do this, test it out on a small tile. Let's see how that goes. I'm just layering all the colors, and that's my cell activator with Amsterdam titanium white and the mini wax wood conditioner. I just put 2 drops on it, and I'm gonna use a straw to blow that out. And there you go. I am actually surprised to see the cells popping up like that. My usual recipe is, I mix American Floetrol and silicone, and swipes come out really good with that. Like if you check my other videos on my channel, you would see how swipes are amazing with silicone. But this one here is really amazing. I guess all the blooms going forward, I'm not gonna go to any other cell activator but this is amazing. I am super happy that I tried it out today, and this really does the magic, guys. Let me show you the closer look of this bloom in a bit. It indeed turned out amazing. Look at the beauty. I love the cells on this one. Look at how beautiful it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.